Hello Adam, this is Aaron from Boss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2015 Yamaha Bolt C-Spec. The current asking price is $7,999 plus HST and licensing. It currently has 122 kilometers, so barely ridden. And here's the VIN for your insurance purposes. Still has warranty options, as you can see. It's a 942cc engine V-twin air-cooled. It's in a cafe racer style. As you can see, it's in great condition. It comes very clean. Green on the outside, black seat. The handlebars have been adjusted, but it's still very sporty clip. It's more of an upright position compared to the traditional C-Spec. If you'd like to come to Boss Motors to take a closer look at the C-Spec, you are more than welcome to. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.